Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to VIVO T2 Pro. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Following that, in this pop-up, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to, and then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top, and select Receive at the bottom of VIVO between Send and History. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO if it's not already on, and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you're done, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and confirm your choice in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on VIVO. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and when you are finished, click on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!